Yes. Mahilni, repeat after ma'am, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Kidzi anthem. You are within me.
Why?
You are infinite.
Why?
You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential inside.
I potential inside.
You are the wings beneath my flight.
My flight.
You define me.
You define
My potential inside.
my potential inside.
Today I pledge
Today I
with all my might.
infinite.
I shall achieve you.
I can see
My potential inside.
I potential inside.
Yes, very good. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. A big good morning. Unmute yourself and say good morning. Good morning. Very good morning, Hazel. Keshav. Good morning, Vihan, Taruneshwar. Varsha. Good morning, Varsha. Good morning, Vidra. Good morning, Visha. Very good morning, children. Okay, come on, all of you stand up for the warm-up activity. Come on. Run, all of you. Very good, Varsha. Very good, all of you. Come on, go drink one glass of water and come back for the attendance.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, Radhiyalini today she's out of station. So just login
Okay.
மட்டும் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So any task or workbook வந்து நாளைக்கு அவங்க பண்ணுவாங்க மேடம். சரிங்களா?
Okay, fine. No problem.
Okay.
Dashwan. Where is Dashwan? Dashwan is absent. Okay. Next. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Next.
Mama.
Very good, Jason. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Next.
Yeah,
Very good, Radhyani. Next.
I am.
Very good, Marudwin. Next.
Yeah,
Sarah. Ah, very good, Sarah.
yeah.
Very good, Sarah. Ananya. Ananya. Okay. Next.
Yeah.
Very good. I thought Sukri Gautam is absent. Okay, next.
Yeah.
Very good, Visha. Very good, Mavisha. Okay, next. Kavi Kartika. Not there. Okay. Mahini. Very good, Mahilini. Next. Very good, Mitra. Next. Very good, Taruneshwar. Next. Very good, Varsha. Next. Very good, Mavihan. Okay, Mavihan. Thank you. Next. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, children, ready for your rhymes? Yesterday, what rhymes we sang? Yesterday, 5 senses rhyme. Yes, who knows 5 senses rhyme? Who knows? Anyone? I have 2 eyes that can see. Ah, that can see. What, Kesha? Very shy today. Why? Okay, ma'am will sing one time for you, children. Okay. I have 2 eyes that can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and 1 tongue that helps me taste. These are all my 5 senses. These are the things I should not waste. Yes, one more time. I have 2 eyes that can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and 1 tongue that helps me taste. These are all my 5 senses. These are the things I should not waste. Okay? Yes? Tomorrow will you all learn that? Another rhyme, family rhyme. Mummy, daddy. Who's going to sing Mummy, daddy? Ah, come on, Hazel. Yeah, Hazel. 1 minute, ma. Visha, 1 minute. Hazel will finish. Hmm. Daily grandma, grandpa, let's go play. Huh? Wow, grandma and grandpa. Brother, sister. Ah. Ah. All through the day. Ah. Grandma, grandpa. Again, let's go play. Va. Grandma, grandpa. Ah. When we meet. Very good, Hazel. Next, Visha. Visha.
Mommy, Dad, I love you. Love me too, love me too. Cat and metal. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, lot of pants, all day. Grandpa, oh, don't drink.
Come on. I'll give you a hug and give you kisses when we meet. Okay, very good, Visha. Next, who knows the rhyme? Very good. Ah, who's, who's going to sing? Jason, ah?
First line padu.
Jason, next Varsha, okay?
I love you. You love me too. You miss so I care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sitting down often right all the day. Remember, you told me I give you hurt, I give you the touch when you need.
Very good, Jason. Good boy, Jason. Next is Varsha. See, Sutri Gautam is clapping hands for Jason. Very good boy, Sutri. Come on, Varsha. Ah.
Mommy, daddy, I love you. I give you the
You love me too.
Brother, let's go play. Sing and dance, lot of fun all through the day. Grandpa, you're so sweet. Give me hugs and give me kisses and with me.
Wonderful, Varsha. Clap hands for Varsha. Very good. Children, all of you, come on, encourage your friend. Varsha is your friend, right? Come on, encourage your friend. Clap hands and encourage. Come on, Madhvanti. Yeah, come on, Madhvanti. 1 minute, Mananya next, okay? Mummy, daddy.
Daddy, I love you. I love you too. I love you too.
Huh? You love me too, you love me too, and care for me too. Mm. Brother, sister, brother, sister. Mm. Let's go play, sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Okay, you learn it, Madhvanti, no problem. Next is Ananya. Ananya. Okay, sing.
Mummy, daddy.
Mommy.
Start.
Odu.
I love you.
I love you.
You love me.
You careful too. Better sister, let's all play. Sing and dance all to the day. Mama Gappa,
So sweet.
so sweet,
Give you hugs.
relax, and cookies when we meet.
Very good. I'll also give you hugs and I'll also give you kisses when we meet, Ma. Ananya, very good.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am, Radhiyalini want to
Welcome.
sing, ma'am.
Yes?
Radhiyalini want to sing, ma'am.
Yeah, Radhyani, come on.
Mommy, daddy, I love you.
You love me too. You love me too.
Yes, for me too.
Mm.
Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance all to the day. Grandpa, oh,
Kisses when
When we meet. Okay, very good children. All of you take your calendars. Come on. Let's finish the calendar activity. Anyone tell me, Sukriv Gautam, what is the date today? Yesterday was 1/3/13. Today is Sukriv Gautam. What is the date today?
சொல்லுங்க காலைல சொன்னோம்ல.
What happened? What is the date today? Yesterday was 1/3/13. Today is
என்னம்மா இது?
1/4/14. Very good. 1/4/14. Come on, all of you color the date 1/4/14. And the day is Wednesday. Come on. Ready? 14. 1/4/14. Color the date. Keshav, did you finish coloring, Keshav?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. Finished. Very good, Keshav. Small number only. Yeah. Very good. Yes, hope everyone have finished. Now all of you, come on, point out number 11. From 11, okay? 1 to 10 we have learned and we are going to learn from 11. Stop coloring. Where is number 11? This is number 11. Come on, look into your calendar. 11. All of you point out with your pointer finger. Parents, please be sure that they are pointing out the correct number. 11. Mitra, point out 11. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1/3/13. 1/4/14. 1/5/15. 1/6/16. Hazel, point out correctly. 1/7/17. 1/8/18. 1/9/19. Here. 20/20. Where is 20/20? Point out everyone. 20/20. No, Hazel. 20/20. One more time. 1/11. 1 to 12. 1/3/13. 1/4/14. 1/5/15. 1/6/16. 1/7/17. 1/8/18. 1/9/19. 20/20. Is all of you keep your calendars aside? Stand up, all of you. We'll have a small recap of our body parts. Come on, quick. Yes. Simon says, let's play. Simon says, stand up. Stand up, all of you. Hazel, Isha, Tarneshwar. Simon says, touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Very good. Simon says, touch your nose. Nose. Varsha, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your ears. Where is your ears? Very good. Simon says, touch your neck. Where is your neck? Neck. Yeah, very good. Simon says, touch your shoulders. Shoulders. Simon says, touch your stomach. Stomach. Where is your stomach, all of you? Very good, Keshav. Put your t-shirt down, Keshav. Simon says, touch your knees. Puppy shame, Keshav. Touch your knees. Come on, Simon says, touch your knees. Where is your knees? Very good, Ananya. Knees. Very good, Visha, Mitra. If you stand only, I can see your knees, or else how can I see? Tarneshwar, where is your knees? Very good, Mahilini, Jason. Very good. Simon says, touch your toes. Where is your toes? Toes, toes. Yeah, well done, toes. Very good. Well done, well done, well done. Very good. Now all of you sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Today we are going to see the concept hygiene. Okay? So all of you look at the screen. Hygiene. What is hygiene? Keeping yourself clean. Okay? That is hygiene. For that, what you should do, children? You should regularly take bath. Take bath regularly. Are you all taking bath regularly? Yes or no? Nod your head. Yes or no? Yes, sir? Okay, very good, children. Daily, regularly take bath, okay? And then brush your teeth twice a day. 2 times you should brush your teeth. Morning and at night. Early morning when you get up, காலையில எழுந்த உடனே brush பண்ணணும். And then night while going to bed, படுக்க போகும்போது brush பண்ணணும். Okay, hereafter I'll ask your parents whether everyone is brushing your teeth twice a day. Sukriv Gautam, Amma brush பண்றாங்களா? Sukriv Gautam, like that I'll ask. Okay, regularly 2 times you should brush your teeth, morning and at night. Yeah, yes ma, Mahilini. Sorry.
பிரஷ் பண்ணாட்டி என்ன ஆகும்னு கேக்குறாங்க மேடம்.
Germs will come and attack your teeth. Tomorrow I'll tell you a story regarding brushing the teeth, okay? Lot of germs will come and germs வந்து உங்க பல்ல கடிச்சிரும். Then it will pain. வலிக்கும். பரவாயில்லையா? It's okay வா? No, right? You don't want germs to come and bite your teeth, right?
No,
So you have to brush 2 times, morning and at night. Then only the germs will not bite you. Okay, children?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Now mute yourself. Next is you have to regularly comb your hair. Since you're all having only short hair, then too you have to apply oil and comb your hair regularly. Okay, then only you look beautiful. And next you have to have healthy food. No noodles, no cakes, okay, no chips and all. Okay, you have to eat fruits, vegetables, whatever your mama is giving. Amma, எனக்கு இது வேண்டாம், இந்த vegetable வேண்டாம். No, you should not say like that. அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லவே கூடாது. Okay, if mama is giving you healthy food, what you should do? You should eat. Okay, hereafter will you say no to vegetables? How many of you are saying no to vegetables? எத்தனை பேர் vegetables சாப்பிடுறது இல்ல? How many of you are not eating vegetables? Achcho. Why Radhyani?
Only chips, finger chips. And
Achcho.
like that.
No, Radhyani should not eat like that. It's bad for your health. Yes, Jason. It is very bad for your health. If you eat like that.
That ma'am, and eat that only.
Jason, if you eat like that, then you will get stomach pain. It's okay for you. Then you have to go to a doctor and have injection. You want injection? Do you need injection, children? Yes, you all like injection, huh? Is it so? If you don't want injection, then you have to eat healthy food, whatever your mama is giving you. No finger chips, no fried items. Little you can eat, but not too much, okay? Mainly no noodles, Okay, children, you have to eat healthy food, fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay. Yeah, fresh fruits and vegetables. Sukri Gautam, as if you are such a good boy, ah? I know that. Huh? Next, you have to go early to bed. Some children, what you do at night also, you watch TV, video games, rhymes and all, right? No, like that you should not see. Have to go early to bed. Okay, then only you will be healthy. Go early to bed and in the morning also rise early. And then while in the class time, what your mama will say, ma'am, I'm late, alarm, ma'am, no. When you go early to bed, then you will get up early. சீக்கிரம் தூங்குனீங்கன்னா காலையில சீக்கிரம் எழுந்துக்கலாம். Okay? Next is the main thing. Are you all doing this? No. Yes or no? Are you all doing this? What the boys doing? What the boys doing, children? Is reading. Are you all reading? Are you all reading every day? Yes, sir. Very good children. If you are reading every day, then you are all good children. Okay. Regularly do your homework. Regularly learn what ma'am taught you every day. Okay. And next thing is the main thing. Play carefully at your home. Okay. Play with your brother or sister or your friends. Whoever is there, play with them. Okay. And then see here what is happening here. Ennachinga. What happened? Chicho. What happened here? Ananya, what happened? Fighting. See, dishum. Dishum, fighting. Will you all fight with your friends? No. Will you all fight with your friends? Fight பண்ணுவீங்களா இத மாதிரி தான்? No. No dishum, no fight and all. Okay, you should not fight with your friends. That's very bad habit. Even if you have a brother or sister. Yeah, Taruneshwar. Good ma. What, Ananya?
சரி
என்னடா கண்ணா? What?
சொல்லு. ஃபைட் பண்ண மாட்டேன்னு சொல்லு.
Very good. Fight பண்ணக்கூடாது. That is bad habit. Okay வா? Next is, see, you have to play happily with your brother, sister or friends. Should never fight with them. Okay? So these are all the good habits and hygiene I taught you. One more time I am going to show you. First, regularly you have to take your bath. Then brush your teeth twice a day. 2 times you have to brush your teeth, morning and at night. Okay? And then comb your hair regularly. Eat healthy food. Go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. Read your lessons every day. Do your homework every day. Play with your friends and your brothers and sisters peacefully and happily. No quarreling with each other. No fighting. Okay? You have to be happy with each other. Okay? So these are the things I taught you. So the same thing we are going to do in worksheet also. And the worksheet number is, wait a minute. D09 ERP. D09 ERP. Write today's date in the worksheet, children.
Ma'am, which page number?
D09 ERP. Parents, please don't help them in this worksheet. Let them listen to my instruction and do the worksheet. Okay? Today's date is 14/1/4/14. dash 7 dash 121. Yesterday homework sheet also I saw someone writing the date on top of it. Very good. Finish writing your date, children. One 414 dash 7 dash 2121. Try to look at the screen and write, children. Fourteen dash 7 dash 2121. Finish. Madhuvanti, mute yourself. இந்த பேஜ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்து எடுக்க சொல்லுமா. ஸ்கிரீன்ல இருக்கு பாருங்க பேஜ். மதுவந்தி, இந்த மாதிரி படம் போட்டிருக்கும் பாருங்க பேஜ்ல, அதை பார்த்து எடுக்க சொல்லுங்க பாட்டி. ஓகே children, hope you all have finished writing your date. So first one, circle this. Take a bath. This is take a bath. So where is take a bath? Match that picture. First circle it and then match it, children. Don't do it wrongly. Parents, please don't help them. Let them listen to my instruction and look at the screen and do it. Take a bath. Circle take a bath and then match the picture. Take a bath. Now the second is comb your hair. Circle comb your hair. Comb your hair. Where is comb your hair picture? Here. Okay, so match it. Comb your hair. And the third one, brush your teeth. Circle it first. Brush your teeth. See here, the girl is brushing her teeth. Brush your teeth. And the fourth one, read a book. Circle it. Read a book. You can see a boy reading the book, so match it. Read a book. And the fifth one is eat food. Eat food. Where is eat food? Here, you can see the boy eating food. Eat food. Did you all finish it? Very good. Yeah, good. Finish. Everyone has finished?
Which one?
Yeah, very good, children. Now the next worksheet is D09LT. D09LT. This page you will have. Identify the pictures and write the first letter for each picture in small letter. So here some pictures are given. Have to identify whether it belongs to A or B. For example, if it is a butterfly, butterfly. B means what you will write? B. A means you will write A. Okay. So before that, write today's date, children. Fourteen, 7, 21, 21, 21. First picture, Keshav. What is the starting letter for this picture? Butterfly.
What is this? Butterfly.
B for butterfly or A for butterfly?
B.
B. Very good. Right. B.
B. Small letter.
Small letter B. Look at the screen if you have any doubts. Next is a alligator. What will you write? Hazel, a alligator. What will you write?
போடுங்க
B.
அதானே
A alligator. What will you write? Hazel. Means what will you write?
போடு போடு போடு
Madhuvanti. Mute yourself, Madhuvanti.
எழுதுங்க எழுதுங்க வாங்க கிட்ட வாங்க
B.
Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, mute பண்ணுங்க.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. Mahini, a alligator. What you should write? A or B? A means what will you write?
Alligator.
Alligator. A for alligator or B for alligator? What will come for alligator?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you hear me? Like, mute.
Yeah, I can hear. இல்ல unmute ல தான் இருக்கு. No problem.
Oh, okay. சொல்லு.
Come on. A for alligator, B for alligator.
Huh?
Yeah, A for alligator. A.
Oh, good.
Very good. Next is Visha.
அதே மாதிரி பார்த்து எழுது.
Mute yourself, Ma Mailini.
Oh, sorry.
Next is Visha. Bear.
மிஸ் கூப்பிடுறாங்க
Bear. What will you write? Ba means what will you write? A or B?
பனா என்ன வரும் ஏல வருமா பீல வருமா
Bear.
அது சொல்லு ஏல சொல்லுவோமா
Ba.
அதுல சொல்லுவோம்
Bear.
தான் எதுல சொல்லுவோம் ஏக்கு வந்து என்ன சொல்லுவோம் பிக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவோம் எதுல வரும்
A or B?
ஏவா பியா சொல்லு
D.
B. Very good. B for bear. Next is arrow. Taruneshwar. Arrow. Means what will you write? A or B? Arrow.
என்ன வரும் ஆரோனா என்ன வரும்
A வருமா B வருமா? What will come?
சரி நீங்க சொல்ல அப்புறமா எழுதலாம்
Okay, A for okay ma, don't cry. A for arrow. Next one, Sukriv Gautam. Ant. A for ant or B for ant?
A for ant or B for ant சுக்ரீம் ஆன்ட்ட சொல்லுங்க
A for auntie.
ஓகே
Very good. A for ant. Next is Mitra. A for axe or B for axe? Mitra. Axe. Very good. A for axe. Very good. Next is Varsha. A for basket or B for basket? Basket or basket?
Say A for basket or B for basket? A for basket or B
A
for
for
basket?
basket or B for basket?
Basket sound என்ன? First letter sound.
Means you should write B. Basket. Very good, Mavarsha. Next is balloon. Who is going to say this? Sri Ananya. Balloon or balloon? Balloon. That means you have to write B. Means B. Very good. Did you all finish it? Finish. Very good, Keshav. Well done, Visha. Very good. Very good. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, now take your my word trip book, C page, children. My word trip book, C page. Today we are going to learn small letter C. What is the phonic rhyme for C? Phonic rhyme. What is the phonic rhyme for C? C. Who is going to sing? Hmm. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ka ka ka. Very good. Ka. Capital C. Small c. C for. What is this? What is the first picture? C for. Children, you have to answer, children. Crown. Very good. C for crown. Next is C for.
C for candy. C
Ah.
for food. C
Ah.
for pig. C for
Ah.
fish. C for
Ah. Cactus. Very good, Keshav. C for crown. C for chimpanzee. C for chair. C for candle. C for comb. C for cherry. C for cake. And C for cactus. Yes, come on now. Point out where is cactus, children. Where is cactus? Where is cactus in your book? Show me your cactus. Point out and show me where is cactus. Good, Jason. C for cactus. C for comb. Where is comb? Comb. Very good. C for cake. Where is cake? Cake. Very good. C for candle. Where is candle? Candle. Very good. So all these pictures are related to C. And today's worksheet again we are going to do letter C. And the worksheet number is D1010 LT. D1010 LT. First you have to do it with your pointer finger, children. Then write in the blanks given. Okay? Sri Ananya, you can carry on with the next page given there, ma. That is also D1010 only.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Others, you have to finish this page. 5 blanks are given, right? Finish it and the next page will be your homework. Yesterday, B page, everyone has sent your homework. Let me check. Madhuvanti, you have to send both A and B page, Madhuvanti. Have you sent, Madhuvanti? Mahilini, also B page is pending for Mahilini. Ask her to finish and send it today.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Vihan, did you finish your B page homework, Vihan and Varsha? Don't keep your pencils in your mouth, ma. Who finished? Varsha also finished, Have you sent it?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Yeah,
I'll send
check it then.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Radhya, and you are absent yesterday, right? Finish B page, Kana, okay? When you go home, not you don't have books, I think.
Yes,
Finish it when
tomorrow
you
we
go
will
back.
send all pages.
Yeah. When you go back, you can finish and send it. Sara. Yeah, very good, Taruneshwar. Sara. Sarah's mom. Sarah has finished A and B homework, huh?
She is writing, but not in the size writing.
Let me see. Show me.
No, not in this book. I'll show you later.
Why? Because now if she is hesitating to write no, then it will be very difficult for her. We'll be moving on with the small letters. At that time, it will be very difficult.
So she wrote this.
Okay.
So actually, I'm practicing her in another book.
Okay.
So,
And then you are going to ask her to write in that book, huh? Worksheet.
yeah.
Yeah, fine. Fine. I just want her to write. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for her, no?
Only she is okay to write a note, but the size is
Okay.
very big. She's
Okay.
just
Very nice, Sarah. High five.
Sarah, high
High
five.
five, Sarah.
High five.
Anyways, you are trying to write. Very good. Good girl. High five. Good girl. Achi bachi, Sarah. Welcome. Slowly write, Sarah. Slowly write on the dot itself. Okay? Try to write. Finished. Very good. Well done, ma.
Pink item.
And the next page will be your homework, children. Today's homework, C page. Very easy only. Those who have finished the worksheet now can write. Everyone has finished? Yeah, very good, ma. Shall we start the next activity? If you have finished that page, 5 blanks page, if you have finished, that is enough. Homework, you can do it afterwards. Let me know everyone has finished. Yes? Yeah. Yeah, let them write, parents, I need a glass of water, 2 glasses of water, and a pinch of salt and sugar. Don't mix it with water.
Only
Two
salt,
half, 2 half glasses of water,
okay.
and then salt, quarter teaspoon, and sugar, quarter teaspoon.
Okay.
Let them write. Half glass of drinking water is enough. Rudvin, take your slate, Rudvin. Rudvin, slate எடுங்க. Rudvin, slate எடுங்க, Rudvin. Come on, take your slate, Rudvin. Children, by the time your parents come, you can do your worksheet, children. Let them prepare it, you can do your worksheet. Marini, sit and do your worksheet. ருத்வின்க்கு ஸ்லேட் கொடுங்க.
அழுகுறா மேம்.
வை நோட்டு கொடுத்து பாருங்க. இல்லைன்னா ரஃப் நோட் கொடுங்க. ரஃப் நோட் ஒரு கிரையான் கொடுங்க.
ஓகே மேம்.
அப்படியே ஒரு சர்க்கிள் ஒன்று வரைஞ்சி கொடுத்து அதை கலர் பண்ண சொல்லுங்களேன். எனக்கு கலரிங் எப்படி பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்க்கணும்.
ஓகே மேம்.
யா முடிச்சிட்டு அப்புறம் காட்டுறீங்களா?
ஓகே ஓகே மேம்.
யா ஃபைன். ருத்வின் அழக்கூடாது கண்ணா. சாரி,
அது இன்னும் ரைட்டிங் பிராக்டிஸ் வந்து இன்னும் அவனுக்கு முடியல.
அது இல்ல நான் அதனால தான் ருத்வினை கேட்கல. ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கலரிங் அவங்க எப்படி பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
பிடிக்கிறான் மேம். ரொம்ப ட்ரை பண்றோம், எங்கனாலயும் முடியல. அது என்ன பண்றது?
ருத்வின் இங்க பாருங்க. ருத்வின் ஒரு மேங்கோ ஒன்னு வரைஞ்சு கொடுங்க. ஒரு மேங்கோ ஒன்னு வரைஞ்சு கொடுத்து அதை கலர் அடிக்க சொல்லுங்க. கலர் அடிக்கிறாங்களா?
ஓகே மேம். ஓகே மேம். थैंक यू थैंक यू.
யா ஃபைன். யா ரெடி. Jason is ready. Everyone is ready. If you are ready, you can close your book. Quarter teaspoon of salt and sugar. Mahalini's dad with the camera itself. We are going to the kitchen and everything, huh? What to do? Switch off your camera and you can move. Ready? Yes.
Ma'am, we need spoons, ma'am, or just both sugar and salt is enough?
They are going to mix it in the water. You should not mix it. For that only ask 2 spoons. 1 spoon salt and 1
Okay.
not 1 spoon full, quarter teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of
Okay.
sugar.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have the salt and sugar jar also, you can bring it, parents. Let them take little and let them add in it. 1 spoon is also enough then. Finish. Ready? Varsha is ready. No. Ananya ready.
Ready, sir.
Keshav, don't do it. Wait.
Don't do
Sarveshwar
it.
ready. Very good. Sara is ready. I'm going to get lot of scolding today. See. Okay, today's activity is, what is that, you know? That is, you are going to taste. How do we taste, children? We taste with our tongue. Where is your tongue? All of you, show me your tongue. This is your tongue. So we are going to taste salt and sugar today, okay? Now first, take salt and mix it in water. Little bit of salt. Don't add too much of salt, please. Little bit of salt. Add it in water. And take little water and drink and see how is it. That much Ananya's mama. Little bit is enough. See all of your faces, how it's going. Oh my God. Let me pin you, wait. How is it? How is it, Sugriv? How is it, Sugriv? Salty, right? Uppu karikkidu, salty. Yeah, Rudvin's mom, 1 minute wait, okay? I'll see. 1 minute. I'll finish this activity and say. Yes, Madhuvanti, mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself.
Okay,
First,
okay.
everyone mute yourself. First of all, everyone mute yourself. Don't give it in the glass, Sarah's mom. Little bit in the spoon. Just drink and see how does it taste. Okay, we are going to see how Sugriv Gautam's face is going to go as soon as drinking the salt water. Happy, ah? Happy? Are you happy drinking salt water?
Krishna is not drinking, ma'am. Vihan is not
drinking. Just a drop. Just a drop. You have to taste and see how it is salty. Chuchu, see this boy, how he is drinking salt water. Chuchu. Okay, salt water
He
over.
regularly drinks
Now,
it, ma'am. That's why.
chi. What is this? Okay, next. Hazel. Hazel. Come on, Hazel. Drink sugar, mix sugar in your water. Drink and see. Hazel is going to mix sugar. And now she is going to drink. Come on, taste it. How is it? Sweet, huh? Yes, thumbs up. Huh? Sweet. Yeah, now you know which is salty and which is sweet, okay? Both together. Now come on, children. First, which is salty? Pick up and show me which is salty. Which glass is very salty? Which glass is very salty? Salt. Okay, now which is very sweet? Which glass is very sweet? In the glass of water is very sweet. Keshav, which glass of water is very sweet, Keshav?
Which one?
Which one is sweet? Yeah, which one is salty?
Which one salty? Okay, Mama, which one salty?
Yeah.
Which one salty?
This one.
Very good. Wow. Salty means you do like that, ah? Mahini, which is sweet? எது ஸ்வீட்டா இருக்கு? எந்த வாட்டர் ஸ்வீட்டா இருக்கு? Show me.
சொல்லு குடிச்சிட்டல்ல எத்தனை வாட்டி குடிப்போம்
ஸ்வீட்டா? ஸ்வீட்டா சால்ட்டா? எப்படி இருக்கு? இனிப்பா இருக்கா? உப்பா இருக்கா?
சொல்லு
எப்படி இருக்கு? How is it?
சவுண்டா சொல்லு
நல்லா இருக்கு means it is sweet. நல்லா இருக்குன்னா அது sweet, okay? இன்னொரு தண்ணி குடிங்க, இன்னொரு வாட்டர் குடிங்க. How is that?
இது குடிங்க.
You see your face. Salty. Very good, children. Thank you so much. Keep the glass of water aside. Thank you so much, children. You all tasted what is sweet and what is salt through your tongue. So we taste all the thing which are with our tongue only, even if it is spicy, sour, everything, bitter, everything. Okay. So okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
everyone. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.